So let me just start this video out by saying that this, in a way, was prompted by a lot of things that I have been seeing in my comment section. I am not going to like every single thing that I put in my head. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I pretty much just keep it real. Like, I'm going to be honest, whether it is a sponsored video, whether it is a first impressions video, whether it is a product that other people have liked, if it is something that I do not like, I'm going to tell you guys unapologetically. I really feel like that's what y'all say that you expect from vloggers and bloggers and hair reviewers, but a lot of times I'm noticing when I say that I don't like something or say that I don't like a product, is so many people in the comment section, oh, well, you should have did it this way. Oh, well, you should have did it that way. Oh, well, you should have calculated, you know, the derivative of pi and then dipped your head in the water 3 times and sealed it with moisture first and used this moisturizer and, you know, clipped your heels 3 times and let it air dry for 3 days before you picked it, and then it would have worked for you. And it's like, sis and or bro, I am very simple with my hair. I have been doing my hair, my own hair for so I guess you could consider this kind of like an anti-haul. Products that they pretty much don't work for me, and they never have worked for me, and I don't have any intentions of repurchasing or trying to get them to work for me again, no matter how much you guys try, okay? The first product that I want to go ahead and get out of the way, because this is probably the video that I get the most of these just kind of angry. Like, you guys are so angry in the comment section a lot of times under this video. Just angry commenters, just upset that I don't like this product. Curl Mix. Listen, you guys, I talked about this in that video. I really wanted to like those products. I was not bashing the brand. I had no reason to come on here and say I didn't like a product. Numerous people in the comment sections were saying that they had my same experience. Take aside the flaking. Take aside the fact that it flaked like all on its own, like with no other product. Using less was not going to define my curls more. Like, it's just that's the amount that you need to use apparently to not get flakes. What people were not understanding is that I used what I thought I needed to use and what I know I need, the amount of coverage and coating that I need on my strands for them to be like coated. So it's like, you telling me to use less, sis? So people were kind of upset in that video that I didn't go through with the whole process of what I could already tell in one section was going to be a fail. And it's like, y'all, I'm pretty sure even at the time that I wasn't even a full-time YouTuber yet. So it's just like, y'all wanted me to go through with something that I knew was going to be a fail just for like the video's benefit. And it's like, I get it, but also like the whole point of this whole hair journey thing and, you know, expanding your knowledge and learning your hair is so that you don't have to do that. Like, this is realistically my hair journey. Like, I am at the stage of my hair journey where I know my hair so well that I know the kind of products that work well for it. So realistically, guys, as much as, you know, we like the concept of a brand, it's still not gonna work for everybody. So it's just really like the aggression is not necessary, guys. Like, it's not necessary. The second product that I don't like, that I don't really have an explanation for other than the fact that I don't like it, is the Witline Extreme Gel Green. So when I said that I didn't particularly care for the green one, I didn't say it was horrible, I didn't say it was trash. People in the comment section lost their mind. It was like, oh my god, they're the exact same gel. I don't know. I just know that even though apparently it's the exact same gel, it don't pair with the exact same products that the other ones pair with. It didn't give me the exact same results that the other ones gave me. And it just didn't, in my opinion, act exactly like the other gel. So I was like, you know, I probably wouldn't buy this one again. The next product that people are super surprised and kind of get at me in the comment sections about me not liking is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In. Just personally for me, it does nothing for me. I don't like it. I've tried to use it and purchased it with my own money on at least 2 separate occasions, just trying to feel this spark. For me, I'm pretty sure the reason that I don't like it is because my hair does not like castor oil. So it's one of those things where even though I am low porosity, I'm a low porosity natural whose hair doesn't like castor oil. It's never liked castor oil, as well as castor oil itself actually just being way too heavy for my fine strands. So products that contain castor oil usually like weigh my hair down or kind of like prevent other products that I may be trying to put on after it from like really getting into my hair or really smoothing my strands, because the castor oil has kind of created this like heavy filmy barrier on my hair. The next product in my anti-haul goes right along those same lines. It is the Texture ID conditioner. So a lot of people have been asking me about the Texture ID line, and I haven't got a chance to try anything but the shampoo and the conditioner from that line. I am still really interested in trying the cream, just because, like I said, just because certain products in the line don't work for me don't mean that I am not willing to try other things that people like from that line. I've tried to like it on numerous occasions. It's just way too thick for me for what I like in a conditioner. All right guys, so that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys appreciated my honesty, and maybe I gave you guys a little bit just of more of an insight why I don't like these products, instead of just kind of telling you guys that I don't like them. Let me know your thoughts, of course, in the comment section below, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.